Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Shopify product tags. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so it is easier than you think. Simply head over to your products, and here we have three different products. Let's just say I want to choose this mouse and I want to add some tags for it. How you can do that, you can see on the right side you have product organization, then we have tags in there. We can type search in here for mouse, enter, and it will be added, and we can add other as well, synonyms related to that. So you can see we have added two tags, and that's how easily you will be able to add your tags. Click on save and it is now added. It is perfect for search engine optimization to also incorporate your tags in your description. So make sure you add them in here as well, and that is going to do even a better job. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.